Uyifaka kanjani i-profile pic ephephuli uthi stop GBV, but when you are one of the women I believe ukuthi ungakwazi ukuphuma endlini uhambe uyophuza amadoda awunawo ngisho 10 rand esikhwameni but uyokhokha ngenkomo. Wena uzophuma endlini awunamali uphuza amadoda uqede uwakhokhela ngenkomo, but wena uthi stop GBV. Uthi stop GBV but you don't believe ukuthi as a woman kumele uhambe uye esikoleni ufunde ube nezimali zakho, u-afford i-rent yakho, u-afford igrosa yakho, ukuze sinezi indoda ithi nxa ukwazi ukuphuma uhambe. Why uzothi namhlanje stop GBV ufaka ama-profile pic aphephule but wena ubelieve ukuthi impilo yakho nje kumele ifundwe amadoda rich nje, wena uphila leyo nto, uphile impilo yobu-slay queen. And angikho ignorant, ngiyazi ukuthi there are many facets to i-GBV, but as a coach nona ngumuntu okhuluma ngama-relationship kuphela ku-social media. So namhlanje ngizobe ngikhuluma nge-GBV within i-context eye-dating nama-relationships. There are so many situations wabona kahle ukuthi ugela ngahamba, ama-signs wabone early, but inkinga ukuthi ubevele ebhalance ngokuthi iyena impilo yakho uzonakekelwa indoda, uzodependa endodeni, akwazi ngisho uzithengele roll on. Ontanga bakhe bayasebenza ba-cashier, they make an honest living, but yena wadecide ukuthi yena ngempilo yakhe ufuna indoda e-rich. Le ndoda e-rich ibona lapho ukuthi vele lona ubelonga kumina, udepend. I'm not saying that this is right. I'm not saying that this is right. I'm not saying ukuthi le ndoda should be abusing this woman because unemali blah blah blah. But I'm saying as umuntu wesifazane ungaloku bangomsinelo to stop GBV, but you don't stand up ukuthi umuntu wesifazane nje akabe nemali yakhe. Ziningi izinto ongazigwema as umuntu wesifazane kwema-relationships if unemali yakho. Once indoda yakhuluma kambe nawo, khona wayetrendela indoda imkhipha kwi-V-class ithi get out of my fucking car. If unemali kwi-bank, if unefoni yakho, if it's indoda get out of my fucking car, sharp uyaphuma operation yakoduka. Manje sutrenda ku-social media kuthiwa get out of my fucking car because uphuma endlini ungena mali vele, ufuna ukuyodependa emadodeni vele. Eyani le video, nami i-profile pic ephephule ngizoyifaka, nami abantu besifazane ngizobamela. I'm against GBV, especially in relationships. But i-GBV ama-relationships kakhulu ne-dating. As umuntu wesifazane uba unemali yakho nje, indoda ethi ifuseke nawe uthi ifuseke, kamnandi nje ngoba unemali yakho. As umuntu wesifazane, after uthi stop GBV, cela upromote ukuthi abantu besifazane abafunde bathole iy'mali zabo, bayeke ukulandela amadoda ngoba belambile. Iba nje nemali yakho as umuntu wesifazane.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. This is a coach Noni sending a message to amantombazane la Mzansi. Uthi ngeke ufake i-profile picture le-PayPal kube wena usakhona ke etshwaleni awuyonatha tshwala. Uphume nje endlini yomgruveni nowengivero ukuthi awunamali dofike unathe amadoda bese ubhadala ngenkomo. Uthi you cannot. You can't say hey stop i-GBV for usathengisa engquza nedi ngoba ufuna tshwala. Uthi nine bantu bokwenda into lenjalo nani niyayibhebhethekisa i-GBV. Uthi kumnanzi kabi kokuthi uthi umfati nje ube netindoda yakho ube nemali yakho, athi indoda noma ithi yakuqosha, indoda noma ithi ayisakufuni, or you know ukuthi hayibo awumnqengi because you have your own money, because you have your own things, because udimele ungaveli ufostile ngisho ukuhlala nemuntu just because uyade kokuthi unqenga sinkwa. So balabaningi bathi bashilo ukuthi ayicha kona nona uhlezi ubhetha, but lana kule nkulumo yakho there are no lies detected. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.